Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to share with you how much money I actually made on YouTube since I've been monetized on this platform. Now, this is something I wanted to cover a long time ago. I'm not going to lie, it did take me a very long time to get monetized on YouTube. And I have to say, it's been an uphill battle to get there. Of course, things have changed drastically on YouTube. I had to go through the process and get 1,000 subscribers along with 4,000 watch hours, which was not, easy to do. It was very hard, very difficult for me as a creator, especially for the type of niche that I'm in on YouTube on this platform. Of course, I like to do unboxings. I like to do tech reviews. I like to do YouTube growth strategies, take you along the way on how I got there, to reach subscribers, to reach watch time, to be monetized, which I haven't done any videos on how much money you can actually make on on this platform on YouTube, only because I'm not quite there yet. I'm actually a ways away from that, to teach you, how to start making money on this platform because I'm still learning myself. I'm still learning this process, if you will, on how to be better at this because, again, you know, 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers does not come easy, especially now, especially when you're a small YouTube creator. And, to get there, of course, you have the whole process that's involved, to be monetized. You have to, put the time in, you got to put the work in, you got to, you know, film the videos, edit the videos, think of the ideas. What do you want to do? And of course, the expense, the expenses on, to be a YouTuber is not cheap. I fully fund everything myself. Any of the videos I've been sponsored on, I have not received any money. That was all stuff that they gave me in return to, you know, to do the review on the product, to do, an app review. They gave me the app, or to do sunglasses, they gave me the sunglasses to do. So it's not like I'm making hundreds and thousands of dollars, to be sponsored on YouTube. It's not like that. It's not all, it's not all fun and games, guys. It's serious work. For those of you who are small time creators, or even those who are big creators, you know what it takes to be a YouTuber. You got to put the work in. You have to have the time to do it. Um, so I guess everybody's wondering how much money I have made on YouTube, right? I thought about, do I want to open up the books and tell everybody? And of course I do. And one of those things that I said when I was, if you check back videos and videos ago, I said I was going to donate my first check to charity on YouTube. When I first got my first YouTube check, I said on YouTube, I did a video that I was actually going to donate my first YouTube check, and have I done that? No, I haven't. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to say something that's not true. I have not donated my YouTube earnings to charity because it's too precious to me. I earned it. I fought for it. I felt like Rocky Balboa, punch to punch, fight to fight to get monetized. It's, again, it's not easy. Um, the videos, that I got monetized off of, that I'm making money off of currently, are still earning money, and that's the game, guys. Once you start, receiving YouTube checks, you're gonna continue to start receiving revenue from those videos. It's evergreen content. You can, find your most popular video and just keep making money off of it, or upload videos that are similar, that are to that, style of video, like unboxing and testing and reviewing AirPods that are not really AirPods, the Five Below AirPods. I've made so much money off of those videos. I'm still earning money off those videos, believe it or not. Well, what I think is a lot of money, it may not be a lot of money to you, but hey, I'm just starting out. I just received my first check, and I did not get anything in the mail to open up. I'm through direct deposit, so they didn't send me a little envelope that I can open up in this video and say, "Woo, this is how much money I made," and maybe I'll flash it to you and show it to you. I can show you a screenshot of the deposit from Google proving that it's legit, that I really did get paid off of, YouTube, that I really did receive money. This isn't a joke. Um, I think a lot of people lie and say they've made all this money and they don't show you nothing, but I'm going to show it to you. It's not photoshopped. It's legit. You'll know because it's not a lot of money. So it was hundreds of thousands of dollars. Would I still show you? Or if it was thousands and thousands of dollars, would I still show you a screen print? Probably would still show you something, just to show you I'm not BSing anybody. This is really what I've received. Um, of course, when you're monetized, there's a $100 threshold, so YouTube will only pay you once you reach that $100 threshold. So, with that being said, you will not get paid, and it's usually like the middle of the month. Okay, you guys are like, all right, get to the point, how much money you made. You get paid like around the 20th of the month, and that's when I got paid. It was like around the 22nd or 23rd or 21st, something. I think it was the 21st that I got paid on. So, all right, guys. So this is really what we all been waiting for. What I have been waiting for. Maybe some of you have been waiting for it. Maybe some of you have not been waiting for it, but it's special to me. What may not, be special to you may be special to me. What's special to somebody else may not be special to me. But I could have not have done this without the love and support of, my family, my my fan base. Whether you're one fan, whether you're a fan or fans, I appreciate it. And you know what I'm talking about, RD. You're you're great. You're always there for me. You're always there, liking my videos, giving me comments. So I really appreciate you. And of course, you might benefit like 10% of this check. So thank you very much. You watch my videos. You won the later challenge. You spent the time to create that. But I'm not going to get into that now. I'll save that for another video. So how much money have I made on YouTube? 150,000 views, just to give you a range of, what this is going to look like. 150,000 views, about 1,800 subscribers. I think I have over 300 videos. I think I have well over 300 videos, I believe. I think I'm going to be close to 350 soon. Maybe I have like 330, 340, something like that. Anyway, how much money have I made on YouTube? I know I keep beating around the bush, but of course I want you guys to watch this and fully understand how I got here and what it takes to actually get here. And these are all building blocks to get to that point. And am I wasting time to get to the 10-minute mark? You're damn right I am. I am definitely doing that. I'm definitely holding out. But of course, a lot of you, if you're that curious, you'll just fast forward to the video. I'd appreciate if you did not do that. Please watch the video again, because I'm going to get there, guys. I'm going to tell you how much money I have made on YouTube, which means the world of me, the world of me. I can't even talk. The world to me, rather. All right, guys. So how much money have I made on YouTube? I've been beating around the bush. I'm finally going to tell you guys. So from the time it monetized, from February 2022 to July 2023, I have made a total of $103 on YouTube, even. Now, $103 is not a lot of money, but it's an accomplishment. It's building blocks, and I'm not gonna lie, I've spent probably thousands into this channel, and it's heartbreaking when you think of the actual money that you put into it. That doesn't include my time. That just includes gear, software, stuff like this, microphone, boom stand, all that kind of stuff. The lighting here that I have, the studio, getting the studio set up, buying the desk, buying the monitor, to be able to do the edits on, on my laptop. My laptop costs money to be able to handle the edits for 4K, 1080p, the special effects that I use and all that stuff, thousands. So to make $103 is kind of like, whoa, is it really worth it for you? But think of it as a job. It's a part-time job, $103, if you take that and divide it by how many months, you'll be like, oh man, that's nothing. Of course it's not. But again, it's kind of like when you start up a new job, you start a new job and you get an hourly wage, you get a bonus, you get this, you get that, you get all these incentives. This is an incentive for me. This is for me to keep moving along and to keep bettering myself, keep up with, the trends, keep up with the software, the gear, what the audience likes, which is very important to me. And I am reviewing that. And I actually started using TubeBuddy, and I actually just switched from TubeBuddy to vidIQ. So that's an expense that costs, per month for that, and I do what I can do to try and move ahead, to be the best that I can be, not only for me, but for you, the viewers, my fan base, my subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. So with that being said, yes, I have made $103 being fully monetized on this platform. And I really appreciate that. I think this is where I'm going to end this video, guys, because I want to keep rambling. I gave you the numbers. I wanted to give you the numbers, but I wanted to give you like a little explanation on what it took to get there, and how hard it is, that it's not easy, and why I did not want to donate my first check to charity. I did not want to do that, just for that very reason. Maybe when I start making a little bit more money, I'll do that on YouTube, but it meant so much to me. I actually, withdrew the $103 and I used it on vacation, and that meant a lot to me, because it was $100 I did not have. I fought hard for it. I did not want to just donate that money. I donated it to myself, because if you think about it, I'm a paid sponsor. I pay myself. So that's just the way it's going to work. So it is what it is. All right. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you guys want to know what video made me the most money, I'm going to say it's going to have to be the video that's about